Welcome back, guys. Minecraft Sam and Moki in here, our Golden Freddy. And guys, hold on. We got a new little puppy, and his name's Brody. Brody.
Hey, Brandon. What's up?
So guys, we're gonna let him walk around, and plus he also follows me. Plus we also got him some toys. So we got him.
Oh, today's your birthday. Happy birthday, man.
Hey, Brody.
Brandon,
Yes, I'm gonna
okay?
pause it right here once I get him on the ground.
Okay.
There we go, guys. Come on, Brody.
Brandon. Brandon. You okay?
He's a cute little doggy. I mean, yeah. Why are you biting my hand for, dog? Anyhow, come on. He's not really probably trying to, and stop trying to eat that bee. Okay, guys, and I did not get any sleep because my brother decided to wake me up at whatever time it was, and yeah. I mean, Alexa's doggy bed somewhat. Guys, I messed up the video by doing it upside down. I'm not doing it now. But guys, yeah, this is upside. Okay, guys, guys, this is probably listening the whole entire time. Okay, guys, well, anyhow,
Brandon.
you know it. You know what I mean, so.
Hello.
There
Hello.
we go.
Hello. Brandon.
Let's see.
You okay?
You know, little Brody. You know, guys, it was a very sad trip back with Brody because he was whining because he misses his brothers and sisters.
Brandon.
And one of my mom's friends said that apparently, that another person's getting one of these puppies, and he was running all the way home. I mean, me and my brother here. Say hi, Austin. Hold on. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh shoot. Anyhow, guys. Like I said, and Cinnamon Tuba, please subscribe to her, and also Cinnamon Tuba, if you're watching this, guess what? I got Animal Jam. Mine is Gold. Strong Spirit is the name of my guy.
Happy birthday.
And, well,
That is a lot of zombies.
Yes, I know.
this doggy here
And she jumped on the truck.
is very
It's nice.
useful.
What you do?
No.
No.
Do you want your toy? Yeah.
Nope. Looks like I'm getting.
Oh, never mind. Okay, guys. Oh, look at the cute little guy.
Wood.
His name is
Wood.
Dolly.
Wood.
Anything to that fight.
Yeah.